Hi guys, welcome to Directx channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix video card doesn't support DirectX 11 in Windows PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, press on Windows key, then type here optional features. Open this option. Then click on View Features, then type here Graphics Tools. You can see here Graphic Tools. Select this option, then click on Next. Then click on Install. After clicking Install, it will take some time. After completion, once you restart your PC, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.